Hey everyone, I wanted to welcome you back to Cindy Cooks with Tupperware. And tonight I am making a really quick and easy supper for my son and myself. This is a recipe that we learned about at our last Tupperware rally, and that's one thing that I like about being a Tupperware consultant is when we have rallies, we also are shown not only new products but also new recipes. And this was a recipe that was featured, demonstrated for us, and I said, you know what? That's going to be a good quick supper for one of those nights when it's really too hot to do a lot of cooking, and maybe we're kind of tired and don't feel like doing a lot of cooking. And this also will demonstrate for you guys our stack cooker. I'm going to show you our stack cooker. This is cooking in the microwave. And yes, you can do that. If you've never cooked in the microwave, do keep in mind it's not like it used to be back in the day when you might cook something and it wouldn't be heated through thoroughly, or one side might be burned and rubbery, and meat used to be a nightmare in the microwave. Well, it's not like that anymore. You guys are going to be surprised if you've never seen our stack cooker at work. And this is the stack cooker. With the stack cooker, you can do so many different things. You can cook an entire meal using the 3-quart casserole for the like rice or potatoes or vegetables, pasta, anything like that. A lot of times, one of my favorite meals to cook in the stack cooker is chicken, rice, and broccoli. And what I would do is I would put the rice in the 3-quart casserole, and then put the chicken in the 1 3/4 casserole. Actually, what I would do, and I'm going to show you why in a minute, is put the chicken in colander, which then goes in the 1 3/4 quart casserole, because then all of the grease drips down into the 1 3/4 casserole. And then in the cover, you can either use it, well, as a cover, or something that I like to do is put frozen broccoli in the top and stack and cook. And in about 18 to 20 minutes, I have supper. And one of the great things about cooking in the microwave, well, several great things, is, for one thing, it doesn't heat up the kitchen. It's quick. It's one of those things where you don't have to stand over the stove and babysit your food while it's cooking. And as a result, it kind of frees you up to do other things, or maybe even relax while you're cooking. And then cleanup is just this. All you have to do is throw it in the dishwasher, and that's it. So the stack cooker is one of my favorite pieces for cooking quick, easy meals. You can also bake a cake in it. The stack cooker comes with a cone that you can put in the middle and use it for a bundt cake. Whoops. Something else I've done too is I've used this to cook a rotisserie chicken as well. Just get a chicken and put the cone in the middle, stack it, and then just have at it. You'd want to do a smaller chicken, but it makes fantastic rotisserie chicken as well. So you can do all kinds of things with the stack cooker. What I'm going to do tonight is called taco pie. And like I said, this is a really quick and easy dish. And it's pretty tasty too. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing it. what I've already done, though, is I've already browned the meat, and I have 2 stack cookers myself. What I've done is I've already browned the meat. I'll be pulling that back over here in a minute. And I'll show you why I like to use the stack cooker to brown meat. My dogs love it too. It is a great treat for them. I took a pound of hamburger meat and browned it in the colander, and you can see all the gunk that's left in it. Takes 6 minutes in my microwave to brown meat, and this is what the dogs love. Can you guys see all of that gunk? And I don't know if you can see the grease that's left over, but it's all of the grease from the ground beef dropped down into the 3-quart casserole. And I'm going to give this to the dogs. They love it. And what I've done too is I've taken that beef and I've put it in our chopper, because I like my beef to be kind of crumbledy, if that's a word. And our choppers are amazing. I've kind of just, chopped up the beef so that when I put it in for the taco pie, this is what I have. Instead of having big clumps of beef, my beef is all crumbled and ready to go. Now, I did season the beef also. So there's my beef for the taco pie. Get this stuff out of the way, get all the dirty stuff out of the way. And I'm going to start layering the pie in the 3-quart casserole. To do this, you need refried beans, ground beef, salsa, and cheese, and that's it. I've already browned the beef for 6 minutes, and now let me show you another one. I don't have a lot of room here, but let me show you another one of my favorite products that we have, our can opener. You just take the can opener is, I love the large handle, especially if you have gripping problems. This is perfect for that. And this can opener is a little different from most. When you put it on the can, you want to make sure it's perfectly parallel to the can. Otherwise, you might have a little trouble getting it on there. And then, of course, you just twist it around like you would any handheld. Uh-oh, and it slipped off. Let me try that again. It never fails. There's always going to be something that goes wrong. It keeps coming off for some reason. Let's try it this way. As I've said before, you don't have to be a genius to be a to be a consultant. But one thing that the can opener does is it's not cutting the can. It's actually cutting the glue. And after you get it opened, you'll see there's a little lip, a little ledge on it. You're going to take that lip and put it right on the side of the can and just lift the top right off like that. And you have no sharp edges whatsoever around here. And I've lost my garbage bag, so I'll just do that. But you'll see no sharp edges whatsoever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these refried beans and just put them in the base of the 3-quart casserole. And guys, I'm using our simple spoon from our utensil line. This is one of my favorite utensils. This and the the scoop that we have, and I'll show you that at another time. And I guess you could say the refried beans are like the crust for the pie. And I've got this on our seal. The stack cooker also comes with a seal, so if you've got leftovers and you don't want to dirty up another dish or bowl or anything, you can just put the seal on the casserole and pop it in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to redo your leftovers, you can just pop it in the microwave and reheat it real quick. I also like that you can serve from the stack cooker as well. Still got some stuff on here, so I'm going to use my spatula to scrape off that extra stuff there. So we've got the refried beans in the base of the casserole, and now I'm going to take the ground beef and just sprinkle it around the bottom like so. Just kind of layering it. And, whoops, got a little bit more. I want to get all of that ground beef in there. Oh, and I don't remember if I told you or not, but I actually seasoned the ground beef after I cooked it. Used, just salt and pepper and so a Mexican blend, just whatever you want to use. Little garlic salt, whatever you want to use. And I've got a jar of salsa, and I'm going to pour that on top as well. And just kind of smooth that out too. And just cover the ground beef and the refried beans with the salsa. And it also calls for 2 cups of cheese, but really, who measures cheese? I don't. I'm just going to throw whatever I want on here because we like cheese in this household. So I'm going to just do this. And this is some of the cheese that I shredded earlier on my first video. And I love being able to just reach in the fridge and have my shredded cheese ready to go. And it's not packaged. It doesn't have the coating that they put on prepackaged shredded cheese. And that's just our personal preference. So that's all you do for the taco pie. What I'm going to do now, and you guys don't have to sit around and watch this. I'm going to pause this for a minute. But I'm going to throw it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Let me hit pause, and when this gets finished, we'll come back and I will show you the rest of the dinner. Okay, everyone, I am back, and ooh, this is smelling so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Just pulled it out. If you'll notice, as I open it, and look, it's cool to the touch. Well, coolish to the touch. But as I open it, I'm going to open it away from me. Do you see that steam coming out? That's why you want to open this away from you, because you don't want that steam bath. But here we go, right there. And I have a plate of tortilla chips, and you can either put the mixture on top of the chips. I like to put it to the side and almost use it like a dip. And it is cheesy, good, and with a salad, this is going to be a fantastic meal. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but while I was cooking this, I was cleaning up everything. So once I eat, All I have to do is throw everything in the dishwasher, and then I can relax for the rest of the night. How good is that? And let's have a taste of this. I don't normally like eating in front of people, and this is going to be hot, but this is a good, quick, easy supper. My kitchen's not hot. We'll even have some leftovers for lunch tomorrow. So, I hope you've enjoyed seeing how to make taco pie in the Tupperware Stack Cooker. And on that note, can't wait to see you guys back here again. Talk to you later. Bye.